Hello, and welcome to this production brought to you by the National Corrugated Steel Pipe Association. My name is Mike McGough. I'm the Director of Technical Services for the NCSPA, and I will be your narrator for this program. Today, we are presenting a tutorial on how to use our new corrugated steel structural plate service life calculator, which can be found by visiting our website, www.ncspa.org. This will be the orange icon labeled Plate Service Life Calculator, located in the upper left-hand corner, the second from the top, shown here. To learn more about the product details, you can visit our Structural Plates Products page, shown here. There are a wide variety of applications that these types of structures can be used for. Spans for these types of bridges range anywhere from 5 feet up to 85 feet for any single span. Specifications for manufacturing, design, and installation are all available through both the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, AASHTO, and ASTM International. These solutions can be suitable for just about any site condition. Examples of projects around the country can be found on our Find a Project page, shown here under the Newsroom tab. You can check the box to filter by the structural plate product category to see a geographical list of projects utilizing these solutions. Projects are added to this page weekly. Subscribe to our newsletter to keep up. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the product, let's move into the primary focus of our talk today. Service life is always top of mind when developing project requirements, and we certainly want these to last for generations to come. To that end, the NCSPA has developed a simple-to-use calculator for determining the minimum gauge needed when considering corrugated steel structural plate for your culvert or bridge solution. By clicking on the icon, you are taken to the calculator page. In order to get started, several input variables are requested. First is the desired service life for the project. In this example, let's say 80 years. Next, what are the environmental conditions for the site, specifically the pH and resistivity? For this example, we'll use 2000 for the resistivity and a pH of 6. The next variable is the anticipated abrasion level at the project site. There are 4 abrasion levels listed. These are defined by the Federal Highway Administration. More information is shown below. For this example, we're going to select level 2, low abrasion, which has minor bed loads of sand and gravel and velocities of 5 feet per second or less. Next, will the culvert have an open bottom or will it have an invert? We're going to say that this is in fact going to be an open bottom structure. When selecting that this is an open bottom structure, the pop-up box is shown saying that the service life is calculated by using the AISI methodology. Again, further explanation can be found below. Next, coatings. Will the culvert be asphalt coated? No. Are we going to use concrete pavings for this particular installation? Nope. And finally, will road salts be used near the structure? We're going to say yes. Again, a pop-up shows up. It is recommended to place an impermeable membrane over the structure in areas where road salts may come into contact. So that does it for all the input variables. We can hit calculate, and a simple table is displayed now at the top of the page. Gauges are shown on the left, expected service life, performance is shown on the right. For these input variables, we can see that 8 gauge is the minimum that we'll meet with a service life prediction of 89 years, and anything thicker than that. Let's do one other thing here where we can alter whether or not this has a bottom. So that's usually one of the real deciding factors. So we're going to say, is this an open bottom structure? We're going to say no. We're going to hit calculator again, and you can see the minimum gauge now required is 5/16. So you can take these results and you can print them. You can take the results and print them with the additional background and information shown below to share with your colleagues. Would like to note, this calculator does not take into account structural considerations for the project. Please contact your local member by selecting Find a Member here to find someone near you. That will conclude our session for today. Please visit www.ncspa.org for more information. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Also, please subscribe to our newsletter for your project and industry updates. Thank you.